And here it is, the MetaQuest dock for the Quest 3 headset, VR headset. That's the dock, that's the box, that's how it arrived. Now we're going to open it and see how it looks like, what's included in the box, and of course, how to use it with the Quest 3, how to recharge the Quest 3 and the controller with this dock. It's right now. Alright, and first thing first, we're going to remove, double check that you have those seals unbroken. That means you receive a new unit. You are not going to receive, if those seals are broken here and here, that means you are going to receive a return or a used item. So always double check about those seals. Now, of course, we are going to break them. Here we go. And now the box just slide out like so. Here we go. And the reveal time. Ta-da! It's white on white, so it's not really easy to see. But this is part of the box, and this is actually the dock right there. Let's remove it. There we go. Put the box aside for now. Let's have a closer look. So that's the dock. That's how it looks like out of the box. Here is the base to put the headset on, which move a little bit like so, so up and down, as you can see, to be able to accommodate the headset once it's going to go on and charge using this little metallic contact here. So that will move up or down depending of your headset. Probably if your headset have some extra strap, then it will be higher, and then if it comes with a normal strap that comes from factory, then your headset will sit lower, so this will adapt to it. So that's a great feature, I like that already. And of course here we do have the support for the controller. On the bottom of the dock we do have some rubber pad here, actually all around here that's a rubber pad, so one big rubber pad, and here some specification with the serial number. And of course the Meta logo here on the side. There is also on the back there where it should be the connecting port to connect the cable, the power cable. And I'm talking about that because here there is a pull tab that you have to pull to remove this, here we go, sticker that will reveal more area of the dock, including in the back the USB-C charging port here where you connect your original Quest 3 cable. Now that's out of the way, on the other side I can show you here there are some little holes which has some LED inside them. So there will be 3 holes with 3 LED. Those LED will turn orange when the device will be charging and will turn green when the device are charged. That means here this one will correspond to this controller, this LED. This LED will correspond to the headset itself, and this LED will correspond to this other controller. So when you put your controller to charge, will be those LED on, and then when you put your headset, that will be the LED for the headset. LED in the front, and charging port, USB-C port for the charging cable in the back. And that's pretty much it for the look of the Quest official Quest dock. Now the accessory box. Let's see what we have. They definitely like the sliding boxes in Meta. So here we go, it's open. I didn't expect actually them to give me the cable. I thought you have to use the cable that comes with your Quest 3 originally. But no, they give you a cable, so that's great. And it looks like it's even a little bit longer than original Quest 3 cable. So I'm going to measure that in a moment. I'll let you know how much length you have. But here we go, we have a cable which is USB-C to USB-C. Nice quality cable, nice and thick. And then here we do have the battery system, because of course you need to have some rechargeable battery in your controller to be compatible with this dock system, the wireless charging system. So here are the special battery that you have to install in your controller. Left and right one. And how I know that? It's easy because up on the side there are letter. That's for the right one, and the left one have a L letter. So impossible to mix them up. The letter is written on them. And that's pretty much it for the accessory, except the user manual and quick start guide, I guess. But otherwise, that's all for the box. Now it's time to install the battery in the controller, and then I'm going to check which battery goes on the left. That's this one with the L letter here. First, of course, opening the controller, pressing the button on the top here of the little battery door. Up, the battery door ejects itself. And I'm going to remove my rechargeable battery that I put before and put this new rechargeable battery from Oculus, like so. And then putting the door back in place until it clicks. There we go. Left controller done. And now we do the same on the right controller with the right battery, with the R here. Here we go. Now controller are ready to go. The dock is ready to go. And now all I have to do is to bring the headset and put everything to charge. So let's plug the dock first, like so. Here we go. We don't have any lights on yet because there is nothing on the dock to charge for now. Let's fix that, bringing the left controller here. The button, the grip button should face up. And now we do have, I heard a little music even, and we do have an orange LED on here. Right controller the same, with the grip button facing up. No little music, but I was sure I heard something. Anyway, in any case, orange light on here on the right controller. Now all I have to do is to put the headset on the main base here, and once the contact touch here the headset, the light should turn orange, which it doesn't. It's a little bit finicky, yeah? No. Does not work for some reason.
A few moments later.
I did have some problem with charging my headset because I had here a nose blocking, a light blocking system for the nose here, and apparently just having that avoided the headset for charging correctly. Now that this is removed, when I place the headset, here, finally, the lights turn orange and it starts charging. So even a little tiny thing like this could avoid your headset to charge correctly on the official Meta charging dock. It's a little bit finicky. I guess it's something a little bit shame to get used to, but this is how it is. So you guys can know and keep that in mind if you plan on buying the same. Controller charge awesomely right away, but the headset, the main headset, is a little bit finicky here on those contacts which are in the bottom of the headset. In any case, here we go. Here it is, the official Meta charging dock for the Quest 3 VR headset. Everything is nicely presented and everything is now finally charging. Thanks for watching again. Hope this video has been useful for you. And now you know what to expect when you get the same charging dock.